In this video, I'm going to walk through exactly what to do on a big sell-off like we saw today in the overall indices and a trade that sets up in the volatility market that has a high success rate, 85% success rate, where we're going to risk one to make one. So I'm Joshua Bellinger of CounterVest. Head over to countervest.com because videos like this are not always going to be available on YouTube, and they're not only available to my subscribers, which are free to join for the watch list, and also different ideas and tricks. So head over to countervest.com, make sure you join, but also make sure you like, subscribe on this channel as well for other type of content. So we're taking a look here at VXX, and as I said, yes, the only thing that matters is numbers and success. So yeah, where money's going as well. money's, numbers, and success. So anyways, we're looking at the VXX here, and without making this video so long-winded, we're just going to get right into it. One thing I want to point out to you, look at this right here. We're looking at a Bollinger Band, this purple line here. Every time the VXX, which is a drag product, which I mean it has a drag, it's an ETN, this product drags. It drifts lower. The market overall indices drift higher. This product drifts lower. So every time that you've seen this pop outside the Bollinger Band here on the VXX, it has pulled back. So we've seen this one, and this is on a 1-year chart. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then what's this right here? Wow, that would be a trigger. So we're always looking, or my approach is looking for edges. This is a market edge, and you wait for those edges to trigger, and then that's how you trade. So a lot of people trade much differently. I mean, I look for little edges like this and stack them and look for those opportunities. So I share that edge with you today in hopes for you to make some money and to keep your attention, because your attention goes where your money's at. So anyways, right here, we got a big move higher here on this candle. And typically what I would like to see is a 7% move intraday that we see here. And we didn't get that. Not even on the full move here. We had a little bit of a move on Friday and then much higher here. But we did move and pierce outside that Bollinger Band, which is a critical aspect. This strategy I showed you over the last 2 years, 7 wins, 1 loss. So those are the numbers. So here's a trade I am looking at for tomorrow. So what I'll be looking to do here is in the expiration of 39 days. Why 39? Because I want some time. As we saw on the chart here, it takes time for it to ease out, and keeping that in mind, that means we're going to need some time. Need time, but also when we're long options in premium, we have time decay against us. So what I'm looking to do here is a 29 strike at this point, because I'm looking something at the 40 delta. It's not about the strike, it's always about the delta, especially when you're back testing. Again, this has a success rate over the last 2 years, 7 wins, 1 loss. So I'm buying the 40 delta, which happens to be 29 at this moment, and I'm going to be selling something way out of the money. Why? Because I just want to offset that. You could buy something to reduce this a little bit as well, but I've seen the most success with a 40 and something that's at the 10 delta, which is going to be about the 22.5. So that's going to create a debit of about $3.41. Now, what do you do? What do I do when I'm in this position? Here's the 2 triggers. 100% gain, 100% gain, or expiration. And whatever it is at expiration, win, loss, that's what it is. So it could be 0, it could be a profit, it could be a 75% profit because the 100% trigger didn't happen. So 2 things that happen here. Either the 100% profit triggers, or at expiration in 39 days, I'm closing this out, possibly for a loss depending on where it's at, or a gain, or it could be 0. So expiration or 100%. And again, it's a 1-for-1. So that's what I have for you today. Listen, if you think the market's going to continue to sell off, well then I guess you take the other side of the trade. But if you follow the odds here, follow what has happened and probabilities, well, again, 7 wins, 1 loss, and you're risking 1 to make 1. That's what I have for you today. Make sure, again, you like the button there. Hit the like button, subscribe, and good trading to you. Until the next time.